This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study history and civics effectively. First, familiarize yourself with your syllabus and the exam format. Knowing what to expect helps you prioritize. Next, develop a consistent study schedule. Dedicate specific times each day or week to history and civics, ensuring you cover all topics. This structured approach prevents last-minute cramming and builds a strong foundation for understanding complex concepts. To truly grasp the material, engage in active learning. Try creating mind maps or flowcharts to visually connect historical events, causes, and effects. This helps in remembering complex sequences. Regularly practice writing answers to both short and long questions. This improves your articulation and recall under timed conditions. Also, discussing topics with classmates can offer new perspectives and solidify your own understanding of the subject matter. Deepen your knowledge by thoroughly reading your textbooks and any supplementary materials provided. Don't just skim, actively engage with the text. As you read, create concise notes, highlighting key facts, figures, and concepts in your own words. This process aids retention. Furthermore, try to connect historical events to current affairs. Understanding how past events influence the present can make the subject much more relevant and easier to remember. For exam preparation, reviewing past question papers is crucial. This helps you understand the common question types and the expected depth of answers. Focus your revision on topics you find challenging or areas where you feel less confident. Consistent practice will build your speed and accuracy. And speaking of smart tools, check out the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to help keep your study space tidy. It's a real game changer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.